Hi everyone. Welcome to e-bike updates, and in this video we will see Achillee e-bikes that are best equipped with modern parts and yet have cool retro look. I hope you like the video and find it informative. Please subscribe and click the bell icon so you don't miss new videos. We have known for a long time that an electric bike must provide good support, a wide range, and be reliable and maintenance friendly. But the fact that it can also be beautiful and elegant is often forgotten. In the design and construction of electric bikes, Achillee searched for the best. They chose Shimano Steps mid-drive motor. The support is done in a natural way and the operation is simple and intuitive. Alfine hub gears are specially designed for heavy load and user-friendly electric and automatic gears switching. For the construction they have chosen maintenance-friendly and solid parts. They have 4 frame types and several frame colors to choose from. The combination of the handlebar and saddle allows you to achieve both a sporty sitting position and a more straight, comfortable sitting position. You can opt to have integrated lights, different color options for grip, tires, saddle, and tool bag. Choose additional accessories like wooden fenders, chain guard, front and rear carriers, bike lock and pannier bags to make these e-bikes highly customizable when ordering. Check out links for more info on current price, warranty, and shipping in the description below. Please like and subscribe for more videos on electric bikes. Thanks for watching. I will catch you guys in the next one.